Alright, well, so obviously you saw the title and thumbnail of this video. Well, we're back at square one, basically. Just recently picked up a Suburban at a really great price. I'm going to show you guys. We got it from a good friend who is a local wholesaler, and he hooked us up on this one. We also have a 7.3 F450 crew cab, and like everything else that we own, it needs a lot of work. So, but this is the truck. Let me see if I can turn it on. Before we truly get into it, I'm going to explain to you what happened, but briefly, so I don't bore you with detail. Basically, Jim wanted to get a 9-to-5 to get better benefits for our family, and so the family business aspect of things kind of just went on hold for now. And you know, fast forward 6 months, he got hurt on the job, and he's still recovering from his surgery, so it's just me doing all of this stuff. So this channel honestly might evolve into, am I gonna suck at this or am I not? Because I'm doing a lot of these things for the first time, obviously with his guidance, but yeah, I'm doing everything myself, and I will be working and learning all these new techniques and just everything when it comes to a vehicle. And so this brings me to what we're doing, and I do some woodworking still. I do crafts, and I also have been doing roadie, and I've like picked that up a lot this month. So that's why we really like this Suburban. I can take you inside and show you, but we want to probably get rid of the third row that has bucket seats. You can slide everything to the front, because the bigger the haul you can get, like the larger the items, the more money you get. But for now, she needs a front bumper, the fender. So the fender is pretty jacked up. I need to, we might just try to just bang it out from behind.
That's what she said.
Because we can't open this door. We're gonna need mirrors on both. And I mean, the back bumper's okay. The interior is really, really nice, actually. I am very happy with how the interior looks. We have a touchscreen, like Alpine aftermarket radio. The screen is cracked, not sure if it works, but we're going to work on that. We also have a friend of ours that lives in our neighborhood that's an Alpine dealer, so that comes in handy. Let's see. So basically that's it. I mean, the front bumper and the fender are like, I can't find anything less than like $700 for both. People want like $400 for this, $300 for that. Like, it's just crazy. Even used or at a junkyard, it's freaking crazy. But we'll just keep looking and try our best to find something that's a reasonable price. And this is like kind of my list of what I need to like do with this truck, but we are going to write a pretty nice list and see how it goes. We might just end up fixing it as much as we can and flipping it. Who knows? Whatever makes sense at the time, especially for our family, is what's going to happen. But that's the whole point of this channel. It's haul, wrench, flip. So we're going to get the vehicle, we're going to work on it till it's at a better state than it originally was, and flip it and sell it. So that is the gist of what's happening. But let me take you inside and show you what we're working with a little bit deeper. And yeah, we're going to be posting a lot more videos of me doing a lot of things that I've never done before, which is going to be interesting. First thing is probably swapping the tires from this truck to my Tahoe, because we need some tires on there, and I think these will look pretty cool on there. So that might be the first project. We will see. If we sell it before then it won't be my first project. But you gotta stay tuned, watch, subscribe, and you know, follow along, because I'm learning. And I mean, tips will be great too if you guys want to give some tips. But all right, so like I said, interior is pretty freaking cool. Like, I just noticed that crack there. But interior is pretty spot on. I did clean this out. I'll probably add in a video of me and my kids, or my kids and I cleaning this out, because it was a hot mess when we first got it. Holy crap. But there are a lot of like nice surprises in here. Sunroof, DVD. This is where obviously the radio was. Probably get that all hooked up. And like I said, I've never done electrical work, so that will be fun to learn too. A lot of this is going to be like, am I going to be good at it? Am I not going to be good at it? We'll see how it goes. But it's all in fun. I'm really excited to get things going. It has been absolutely freezing here in Jersey the past few days. So yeah, it's been a little difficult to work on anything outside because we do not have a garage. That is gone as well. We left that garage because Jim wanted to go with that 9 to 5. Yeah, but basically that's where we're at right now. I am extremely happy with this vehicle. It is a 2011. I don't know if I mentioned that yet. When I was posting it on TikTok, I kept saying truck, and I got a lot of heat because it's not a truck. I really don't care. It's actually a carryall. That's what they used to call it, so I might just start calling it that again. But yeah, this carryall vehicle has a lot of potential and a lot of room for roadies. If I take out that, it has bucket seats. Perfect for the boys if they need to come with us, and we could still fit long ass things in here. I guess that's where I'm gonna leave this at. So please, you know, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. I know people always ask for it and it's kind of annoying, but we're trying to build this back up and really get back into this, because this one is going to be our new baby. Not this vehicle, this channel. And I think it will be fun seeing someone learn things for the first time and try things and try to do things themselves. And we'll see how the husband and wife thing works, because I have a feeling we're going to clash heads quite a few times, but it's all in love and learning and a learning curve, so it'll be fine. But thanks for watching, and I really hope you're all having a super great day. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.